Welcome to my art channel. My name's Nikki. Thank you for joining me today. So that first colour you can see me putting down is Tri-Art Warm White, and my black pillow is British Paints Extra Bright tinted in Black Ace. So it's just a house paint with nothing else added, just used straight out of the can after a really good stir. Canvas today is a 12-inch square canvas, and that's Pebio's Iridescent Blue Black. And at some time I must have added some kind of blue into it because it does look rather more blue than usual. And this is TLP Storm, which is a kind of a pewter, almost looks a bit bronzy. Their new range that they brought out, their new release. And that is Boom Gel Stain Pearlescent Sunset. This disappeared though, you can't see this, the end of it. I did hope it would give it a bit of a glow, but yeah, I couldn't see it. Must be quite transparent, and so the black ate it up. And this is the second in my turquoise Selectivator series. That's another Boom Gel Stain, that's Willy Wagtail Black. I'm putting that directly underneath the Selectivator. And my Selectivator is Amsterdam, and it's the two turquoises that they do, turquoise blue and turquoise green, which are used in equal parts, mixed with Australian Floetrol, nothing else added. Approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of the Floetrol to the 1 part of the paint. So when I say 1 part of paint, obviously I mean half of the green and half of the blue. Okay, I think my dog is wanting to go outside. You'll hear her rattling the keys in a minute, so I'll put you some music on and let you carry on watching.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would,
Thank you for watching. I hope you like this. If you do, please hit the like button and please subscribe if you haven't already, and then you'll know when I publish a new video. And please share. And any questions, ask in the comment section below. I will get to you eventually. I've got problems with my parents' health at the moment, so it does take me a bit longer than I always used to reply. Everything I've used will be listed in my description box as always. You can click on the video title to easily access if you're on a phone, computer, iPad, but not if you're watching via your TV. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe. See you next time. Bye.